Are you tired of having your condiments all over the place in your kitchen? Hey there, and welcome to Make It Work. Today we're in the kitchen and we're gonna declutter the countertop a little bit to make cooking more fun. More specifically, let's get all the spices, salts and ingredients and so on a better place. Spices were like on the rack, on the spice rack here, and on the spice rack like this, but I'm preferring more the cleaner look. I mean, yes, right now it doesn't look clean at all, but where could be a nice place? This fit just in here. How about... I mean, we have got all the space here is free, but I don't want to put something inside of here, so it would hinder me to get something out of here without problems. I really don't like it to put something, for example, if it would be like this, to reach the back of it, I need to put things aside before I can grab it. I really don't like that. It has to be quick and easy, ninja style. Like, get it open, grab it, zack, close it. That's how I had the idea to put it on the cabinet door, like ingredients holder on the cabinet door. Let's try something. 3D printed something like this here to have more options, like a shorter and a longer one. I believe you could also cut something out of a piece of wood with this. For this, when you have a piece of wood, you just drill holes, and I've bought a kind of round stick. Cut it in a few pieces, and it will look like this. For example, you need only two sticks. Put it inside here. Put it inside here. Other one here. Other one there. I mean, you can glue them together as well. So come on, there it is. You glue them together to have it more sturdy, but also you can leave it like that without glue, so you can change the position if anything is bigger or smaller from the spices. And the idea is to put it like that, have it standing like that. Should be fine. This is very important, very important. Check the length of the screws. Check them thrice. Not once, not twice, thrice. Because if you will not check the length of the screws, you will damage the door. If you screw it on this side in, you will come here out, and it will look very bad. If you have holes in the door from this side, it will not look good. Check it thrice. Like, okay, this is the door, and if you have this thing here, how much will go into the door? This is very important. These one wouldn't fit inside here, so that's why we've got the slightly bigger ones. And this one here. Nice. Same for the other side. Haha. All these things in here. Oh, we can change that. Zack. And so I've got a little extra. I printed those for here as well to put vanilla sugar, garnish knife, and other ingredients in such a small packages inside here. So they would have a nice place as well. Kind of important when you're doing this, measure it exactly how to where the holes will be. You can pre-mark them, maybe with a little with a screwdriver. You can push it a little bit inside, so your screw won't wobble around when you want to screw it in. And the other thing is, don't put too much of weight on this little condiment holder, because don't forget, this is only on these hinges here. I mean, they hold without problem. You can put it a little bit. You can put some pressure on it, but keep that in mind. Keep that in mind that it is not an additional shelf for, I don't know, some really heavy stuff. And also keep in mind, you need to have here the space for that, because when you're closing it, you see this? It's an important task. You need to have the space for that, because if it's cluttered, for example, like this, until the edge, it could be that they. Okay, bad example. Okay, let's do it like this. It's like until here. Now you can't close the door. All right. And also, maybe another thing, if you don't want to 3D print or cut this here out of a piece of wood and don't want to do anything of this, I mean, you can try it also with already existing condiment or spices holders. Screw them into your door, but it could be that they are a bit heavier. We'll check it out, but happy stuff. That's it. Well, that's it from my part. I hope you make yours work. Thank you for watching.